gosh, guys. Eid is in 3 days. I'm so excited. And that's why I'm back with another recipe. This recipe will be so easy because you have all the ingredients at home already. Why are we waiting? Let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are some bread, milk, sprinkles, water, white sugar, brown sugar, and butter. As always, the measurements are in the description below. I'll ask my mom for help to cut the bread in squares. I'll see you when it's done. Now I will toast my cut bread. Now let's make the caramel. Let's add the milk now. Let's add the butter now. Let's mix it all together. Make sure you have parent supervision. Now let's let the bread cool. I put some sprinkle on the bread. Now let's do the taste test. It's very good. This recipe was super easy. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. See you on Eid. Bye.